Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to this episode of In the Frame. And today, for Project Outlook, we're at a very exciting moment where we are framing up. So I'm in the workshop. We've got all the frame going on. You may hear some noise behind me. That's the timbers being moved around where the carpenters are framing up each section of the house. So I'm here with Dan and Tony. We're framing up frame number 3. Tone's knocking out the podger now. There we go, springs out. So that's held it together, the frame, the floor beam, while we're framing up. We put the brace in. We're going to take out the jowl post now, coming out, and we've got the jowl post on the other side. So we've checked it all fits. Now what we do with the actual braces, we cut those the old way. So Tony will have spotted that. This here is our spotter. I'm going to bring that in. Can we see that? So that's our spotter. So as you will see, this is offset, this little pin. So as we knock it down into the hole, we can put the offset. So that's our spotter. So Tone has used that to spot the tenon. He's now drilling the hole. When we drop that tenon back into the mortise, we will then have the half moon, which is the draw. And the draw is about 2 to 3 millimeters on our tenons. Oh, there we go. A little bit of frame, it's a long time since I've done that. I look down in and I can see that little half moon there. And when Tone knocks in the podgers then, lovely fit. So fitting nice and tightly there. So this is the framing drawing that the carpenters will use to actually put all the components together. So the components are brought into the workshop. We then move them around with these overhead cranes above us, so we don't have to lift anything by hand anymore. It's all lifted by a crane. Each team have a crane. We have 4 cranes that do all the lifting. So as I say, frame 6. Each part has been put together, framed in, so that we can check that it fits. Each part will have a tag mark. So we have a frame tag, which is down here on the right-hand corner of the drawing. That indicates the tag for this frame. Then we have the individual Roman numeral for the component part of the frame with a tag mark in front of it. So that is the historical way that our ancestors would have framed up the oak frames that we all see and love surrounding our countryside or in our surrounding countryside. And that is the frame going together. So here we've got a king post truss being framed up, ready to go. So you see the principal rafters, the king post, and the tie beam here. We can see the joint cut here where the jowl post will go and then the wall plate will run out. Again, got the podgers that have been framing the frame together. And we'll just have a look now. We'll bring the camera over and I'll show you the tag marks that go on the frame. This is frame 1, and this is the tag mark for frame 1. So what we've got here is Roman numeral for the pieces. So we'll go tag mark 1 on the tie beam. We normally do all our tags to the left-hand side of the frame. Then we've got a tag mark and a number 1 there, principal rafter. On the other side, it will be the tag mark and number 2, so 2 Roman numerals on the right-hand side. The king post will have tag mark and number 1, because there's only 1 king post. And that's how we'll understand there. How I know it is frame 1 is because it says F1. And the piece is piece number 49 on frame 1. And frame 1 is also indicated by this orange dot here. So these are the marks that we, as 21st century oak frame carpenters, erect to. The tag mark over here is how our forefathers would have used. That would have been their only mark really for how the frame goes together. But we will use this because if we're out in the wet, the cold, semi-darkness, we can easily see that everything with frame 1 has got a 1 orange dot on it for this frame. So I hope you've enjoyed this episode of In the Frame where we've seen the framing up of all the component parts for Project Outlook. So if you've enjoyed this, please like, subscribe and leave us a comment I'll come back to, and I will see you on the next episode of In the Frame.